Hope that you're doing great. Today's lesson is going to be about subtracting integers. It's the second part of the game that I've told you about when we discussed adding integers. Now let's see. When subtracting two integers, first we need to change the sign of the subtraction. Then we need to apply the rules of addition. So 1, change the sign of the subtraction. 2 is apply the rules of addition. Let's see what does this mean. In exercise 1, I have 9 minus into minus 2. When we have a minus and a minus, it means that we are multiplying these two minuses together. They will change into a plus. So this one over here will be written as 9 plus 2. Now over here, I have 9 plus 2. Apply the rules of adding integers, the same sign, so I'm going to add. Then 9 plus 2 is an 11. What's that same sign? It's a positive, so this one is a positive 11. And remember, any number written without a sign is a positive number. Example 2. I have 9 minus plus 2. When you have a minus multiplied by a plus, they will be changed into a minus. So this one over here will be written as 9 minus a 2. Now over here, apply the rules of adding integers. I have positive 9 and negative 2. These are two integers with two different signs, so I find the difference. 9 minus 2 is going to be a 7. Now which number is greater? Of course, it's the 9. What's the sign of the 9? It's a positive, so this one over here is a positive 7. Example 3. Minus 9 minus minus 2. Minus times a minus is always a plus. So this one over here will be written as minus 9 plus 2. Over here, apply the rules of adding integers. Minus 9 plus 2, different signs, so I find the difference. 9 minus 2 is a 7. Now which number is greater? It's the 9. What's the sign of the 9? It's a minus, so the answer is going to be a minus 7. Example 4. Minus 9 minus plus 2. When we multiply a minus and a plus, they will be a minus. So this one over here will be written as minus 9 minus 2. Over here, we apply the rules of adding integers. Two integers with the same sign, I find the sum. So 9 plus 2 is an 11. What's that same sign? It's a negative, so it's a negative 11. Let's do some more examples and exercises. Find the difference, which means we need to subtract. In exercise 1, I have 10 minus 12. This is a positive 10 minus 12. So I have different signs. I will find the difference. 12 minus 10 is a 2. Which number is greater? It's the 12. What's the sign of the 12? It's minus. So this one is a minus 2. Now, example 2. I have minus 3 minus plus 2. Minus and plus will be changed into a minus. So this will be minus 3 minus 2. I have the same sign, so I add the numbers. It's a 5. What's that same sign? It's the minus, so minus 5. In 3, we have minus 8 minus minus 4. Minus minus 4 will be changed into a plus 4. So minus 8 plus 4. What do I have over here? I have different signs, so I find the difference. 8 minus 4 is a 4. Now, which number is greater? It's the 8. What's the sign of the 8? Minus, so minus 4. Minus 3 minus plus 9. Minus plus 9 will be minus 9. So this is minus 3 minus 9. The same sign I will add, so 9 plus 3 is a 12. What's that same sign? It's the minus, so minus 12. In exercise 5, I have positive 15 minus minus 10, which will be changed into a plus. So this is 15 plus 10. I have the same sign, so I'll add. This is a 25. What's that same sign? It's the positive. No need to write it because any number written without a sign is a positive number. Now over here, I have minus 8 minus plus 7 will be a minus 7. So minus 8 minus 7, I have the same sign, so I'm going to add. 8 plus 7 is a 15. And what's that same sign? Negative, so negative 15. Minus 45 minus plus 5. This will be changed into a minus. So this is minus 45 minus 5. The same sign I will add. This will become a 50. What's that same sign? Minus, so minus 50. Now 20 minus plus 10 will be a minus 10. So this will be 20 minus 10. I have different signs because this is a positive 20. So I will subtract, it's a 10. Which number is greater? It's the 20. What's the sign of the 20? Positive, so this one is a positive 10. Now I have minus 30 minus 22. There is nothing to change over here. I have two integers with the same sign, so I add, this will be a 52. What's that same sign? Negative, so negative 52. Exercise 10, minus 15 minus minus 10. So this is minus 15 plus 10. Minus 15 plus 10. Different signs, I'll subtract those. So this is a 5. Which number is greater? It's the 15. So what's the sign of the 15? It's negative. So this one is a negative 5. Now, what do I have over here? I need to evaluate each expression. What does this mean? 12 minus a is an expression because it's made up of a number, of a variable, and an operation in the middle. In 12 minus a, they told you over here that a is equals to 6. So I'm going to replace the letter a by the number 6. This one will be written as 12 minus 6. So I have different signs over here. I will subtract. 12 minus 6 is a 6. What's the sign of the greater number? That's 12. It's a plus, so plus 6. Over here, I have C equal minus 2. So this is minus 11 minus into minus 2. Be careful. This minus is different from the minus 2. These two minuses will change into a plus. So here, I have minus 11 plus 2. Different signs, I'm going to subtract. 11 minus 2 is a 9. Which number is greater? The 11. What's the sign of the 11? Minus, so minus 9. In 3, the S is equal to minus 20. So here I write minus 20 minus 8. The same sign I will add. This will be a 28. What's the same sign? Minus, so minus 28. What's M in number 4? It's 4. So this is 4 minus 6. Different signs, we're going to subtract. So 6 minus 4 is a 2. What's the sign of the greater number, which is 6? It's a minus, so minus 2. Now over here, I have 3 numbers, which is okay. I have R equals 1. So I will replace the R by 1. So 1 minus 5 minus will be plus 4. Now I will start with the first two. Plus 1 minus 5. Different signs. Find the difference. It's a 4. Since 5 is greater than 1, its sign is negative. So this is a negative 4. Now this plus 4, I will put it over here. Plus 4 equal 2 integers with different signs. Subtract. 4 minus 4 is a 0. Remember, 0 is neither positive nor negative. This is the lesson for today, girls and boys. Please make sure that you watch the video at least 3 times before you solve the exercises or your homework, which is very similar to what I've solved with you now. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you soon.